Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate auto captions in Capcut. So I'm just going to import a video to Capcut. Then we want to drag and drop it to the timeline like so. And then here is how you actually generate closed captions. So you want to right click on the video itself and then you select this option called extract audio. So click on it, and as you can see now we have our audio file right here. So we want to press on it, left click on it, then we go to text, then we go to auto captions, and as you can see here you select the language for your auto captions. It's got a bunch of languages. I'm just going to leave it as English. I always select this option, clear current subtitle, and then we click on create. It's going to take a little bit of time depending on how long your video is to generate the auto captions, but I'm going to play it when it's done so you see that it actually works. Okay, so as you can see we have the auto captions generated. So if we play it, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then from here we want to select setting. As you can see, it works. Your data mode. So it works. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.